Hey guys, welcome to another vlog, and I think 2025, this will be my first credit card unboxing this 2025. And I want it to be a year where, to be honest, alam nyo, napapanood nyo a lot of my different vlogs about Metrobank na mahirap kumuha, which I believe is still hard to get. I believe that they are a very premium bank. So, alam mo yun, yung parang mahirap magpa-waive ng annual fee rin sa kanila pag hindi mo siya ginagamit. And I have friends where they use it, kaya napapa-waive nila. So that's something that I want to, let everyone know na yes, mahirap pa rin siya. But one thing about Metrobank that I've noticed is, guys, it's really one of the tier cards kung gusto mo ng maraming travel perks when it comes to earning your miles. And, yun nga lang, Metrobank, hindi naman marami yung kanyang partners, but let's just talk about the credit cards na parang for me, umaariba sila. And I think 2025 is their year where they're saying that we're really geared focused certain cards gusto nila for travel specifically. And I will be unboxing one of these cards. I'm kind of excited to talk about this card and gusto ko syempre sabay ito with you guys. So, without further ado, let's do it. So, the courier ni Metrobank forever, alam nyo, will be Secure Track. Secure Track. Ito siya. When you get your credit card, you definitely need to show your ID. Pwede naman kayo magbigay ng authorization letter, but you have to have your ID, letter, all it's signed, kailangan. And ito yung gusto ko pakita sa'yo. Ganito ang itsura ng Metrobank na credit card if ever you're going to get one. And it will be sealed in plastic. You will have a signed form here na ibibigay mo rin sa courier mo. And guys, this one is a tamper-proof type of plastic. So meaning, pag binuksan mo to, basag yung buong plastic mo. So ganun yung itsura niya, and I want to share this with you, and gusto ko pakita ganito siya. Makapal rin yung kanyang stapler here, so if ever, ganito po ang itsura niya. Okay, so tanggalin ko muna yung stapler here and I will be unboxing it with you guys. Siyempre, alam niyo naman guys, kaya ako excited, sinunod ko kaagad tong vlog na to. Siyempre, alam niyo naman, ganun ko kayo kamahal. So, this is the Metrobank Travel Signature Visa, always closer to your next trip. Now, I want you to note that this is called the Travel Signature Visa. Sa totoo lang, hirap na hirap ako sa pangalan na yan because I always think about it as Visa Signature. You don't say it as Signature Visa. But I feel na ginawa nila siyang Travel Signature Visa. It's because Visa Signature is a very well-known card na alam natin. Pag sinabi mong, oh, it's a Visa Signature card, it's automatically BPI. Kasi si BPI yung parang pinaka-una, or I don't want to say pinaka-una, one of the very few out there that released the Visa Signature card, and then siya yung parang top-tier card ni BPI noon. One of the best out there back then. Pero now kasi parang medyo, they really have to do some catching up to do. Anyways, this video is not about BPI, it's about Metrobank. So guys, ito na yung time na sabihin ng Jax, nagbabago ba yung puso mo sa Metrobank? Yes, kasi ang ganda ng mga perks niya, and I'll tell you why. Okay. So, and alam nyo naman guys, diba? Kung sasabihin ko, kung nagbago ang puso ko, magbabago rin ang puso ko. But again, these are all videos for you guys to choose the best card for you. Okay, without further ado, let's open it. Diba? First up, ganito kasi si Metrobank, diba? Yung envelope niya nasa loob ng ganitong mga cardboard paper. So here, more miles in every swipe. So scan to learn more about your Metrobank Travel Signature Visa. Travel Signature Visa. Hirap, diba? And ito yung mga top perks niya. So I'll show it to you. Diba? 1, 2, 3. Sa totoo lang, itong perks na nakasulat dito, yun talaga yung top perks of this credit card. So I'll mention it. The first one definitely will be 1 mile for 30 pesos spend. Ang kagandahan kasi dito is wala siyang pinipili. Local, international spend, basta spend 30 peso 1 mile. Automatic. So think about it. 30,000 pesos mo, 1,000 air miles ka kaagad. Diba? It's like, usually, 30 pesos per spend. This was on yung Union Bank Travel, the Citibank Visa, the Citibank Premier Miles way back then was around 30 pesos. Tapos nag-akyat sila, naging 36 pesos na siya ngayon. Then, BPI back then was roughly around 30 pesos din eh. Pero ngayon, naging 50 pesos na rin siya. So, 30 pesos is a very sweet spot. I believe na ang kagandahan lang dito, it's because wala siyang pakialam. Local spend, international spend yan. Basta 30 pesos mo, 1 air mile ka. Yun yung maganda kasi hindi ka na mag-iisip na, dapat international ko ba siya gagamitin? Wala siyang pakialam. Basta, they'll get you 1 air mile. Then, you have unlimited local lounge access. Ang kagandahan dito, local lounge access niya, hindi lang siya sa PAGS na IA 1 and na IA 3. Kasi diba usually, yun yung mga binibigay, yung PAGS 1 and 3 lang. Sa kanya, meron siyang Puerto Princesa, meron rin siya sa Davao, meron rin siya sa domestic. Yun nga lang, it's only the card holder. And last but not the least, low transaction fee on foreign currency spend, which is at 1.68% for their promo rate up until 2025, and then tataas siya ng 1.7, which is still one of the best out there because you know that East West yung namimigay ng 1.7, di ba? So, without further ado, let's slip it out. This will be your card, and then envelope mo, your address will be on this side na binablock ko po. So, alam nyo naman, nandito ang aking trustworthy na letter opener. And then, let us do the unboxing. Ay, na-excite tayo, no, guys? Pare-pares tayo. Okay, without further ado, pag open mo, taran! Okay. This is it, important reminders. Then sa harapan nito, makikita natin dito, address mo, and then your credit limit, and then your cash advance limit. Ang cash advance limit na binigay was roughly around 30%. And then you'll have your statement date, and then payment due date is 21 days after the statement date, which is usually the standard, pero matagal rin yan kasi some credit cards medyo hindi na siya doon. Now, the perks of, or na siya, a life of perks and privilege awaits you. Oh my gosh, guys. Diba? Tagal, diba? Ito na siya, ito na. Diba? A life of perks and privilege awaits you. Now, check your new card. Make sure that the credit card details are printed and not embossed. So, one reminder here, syempre, hindi ko muna papakita yung card. Sa Metrobank, every card that they have right now is not embossed. Meaning nun, hindi na nakausli pataas yung mga names mo. It's now printed. Flat na siya. So, if it's embossed, wrong. If it is printed, that's right. And without further ado, gagawin na natin to. Itatanggal naman natin siya. This is it. So, this is the Metrobank Travel Visa Signature Card. And then, guys, sa harapan will be your name, Visa Signature, Metrobank Travel. And then at the back will have your card number and then your expiry date as well. And then kung saan ka magsasign with your CVV number. And then that's it. Ito lang yung card mo. Now, if you're going to look at the side, medyo silver yung kanyang card edges. So you know that, okay, ito siya. What do I say? Maganda naman yung card na yan. It's a very basic credit card. Wala naman ako nakikita dito na maganda ba, ano ba. It's cute. It's like a blue, it's a very blue card. That's it. And you activate your card. Lalagay natin po siya dito para makapakita nyo, guys. Ito yung activation. So you have two ways of activating it. Pwede ka mag-text or pwede ka rin mag-Metrobank app. So syempre, now that I have it, let us now activate the card. Alam nyo naman yun yung mga favorite kong gawin with you guys. I do have the Metrobank app. So ang gagawin ko, Metrobank app na lang tayo. But if you don't have the Metrobank app, you can definitely use via the text message. So, without further ado, let us log into my Metrobank app. And then, sign up. Either you sign up or pwede ka mag-activate ng card. Ang titingnan na lang natin dito, di ba? Metrobank here, I click on Activate Cards. Okay. There are no cards or there are no inactive credit cards. Okay. So, dahil wala ako nun, I'll do the SMS type. So, just to share with you, sometimes there are possibilities na walang credit cards doon sa Metrobank app mo. That happens, if ever that happens, kailangan mo tumawag sa hotline. Possibly, nung nag-apply ka, iba yung details, hindi na link, or hindi nila alam na meron ka ng account sa Metrobank. That happens. For me, that's the best way to solve it. Dumiretso ka to call the hotline. But if not, just activate via SMS. Let us now try kung kaya ko i-activate via SMS. Possibility kasi, hindi rin pwede. There are times kasi na, again nga, di ba, paminsan records mo is different, so hindi na-activate. It is what it is. So to activate via SMS, you have to type ACT space, the 16-digit number of your credit card, which is nasa likod ng credit card number mo. Siyempre, hindi ko sasabihin ng credit card number ko sa inyo, guys. And then I will send the SMS. And then you send it to 225622. So let's see kung i-activate siya, kung mag-activate yung credit card na yan. So nag-send ako ng message, let's just wait for activation. While we're waiting for the activation, okay, I'll go over the final perks of the new Metrobank Signature Travel Visa Card. Ayan guys, activated na siya what I was talking about. Activated na siya, so perfect. Okay, so this one is really geared towards travel. Now, for your travel visa, ang kagandahan dito is really the low forex, 1.68. So in all Metrobank credit cards, this is the lowest foreign transaction fee credit card that they have, 1.68, which is even lower than yung mga East West na 1.70, BPI na sa 1.85, di ba? So, it's a good credit card to have. And this is Metrobank, sa totoo lang, slowest. You know that Metrobank always is at 3.5% yung mga foreign transaction fee niya. Mataas. Kaya lagi sinasabi, huwag kayo gagamit ng Metrobank when you're traveling abroad. But this changes it all. And then, if you want to earn your miles, you earn your miles faster because it's 30 pesos spend locally or internationally, you earn 1 mile. Now, si Metrobank, pwede siya sa Philippine Airlines, pwede siya sa Singapore Airlines, at saka pwede siya sa Cathay Pacific Asia Miles. Now, sa Singapore Airlines, you can book ANA, pwede ka mag-Turkish Airlines to book your mga flights, diba? But again, you will use Singapore Airlines to check for those award availability. Now, si Cathay Pacific naman, pwede ka mag-book ng Qantas, Qatar Airways via Cathay Pacific. JAL, di ba? Pwede rin yung ganon. So, for me, if you want to earn your miles, you want to spend abroad, this is really a good card to have. Yes, it might be more of a premium credit card, but it is a good travel card to have. Di ba? Kaya nga paminsan now, napapaisip na ako ano na ba yung game plan natin? Because 30 pesos spend locally, maganda yan to earn your miles. I believe that a lot of my local spend right now will be more migrated to this specific card. Because of the fact nga, guys, 30 pesos, I earn 1 mile. Diba? Every 30,000 pesos spend ko will be 1,000 air miles. Paano kung malaki yung mga ginagastos ko, pambayad ko, let's say, ng mga other bills, mga events, mga travels ko, pwedeng-pwede rin siya dito, diba? So, medyo maganda talaga siyang card for me because I want to earn my miles. And these are the credit cards na if you are a traveler, you want to earn your miles, it's one good card for you to earn your miles as well. Kaya parang sabi ko, 2025 talaga is Metrobank's year for travel. I believe that a lot of banks will follow the footsteps of these travel credit cards because I believe that each bank should have a travel-oriented credit card and magtatalunan talaga yung mga bangko for that. So, without further ado, yun. This is the newest credit card of Metrobank, the Metrobank Signature Travel Visa Card. So, again, if ever you wanna apply, sa website yan ng Metrobank. And I am hoping that Kaskas Buddies will also have a direct partnership with Metrobank. So guys, if ever you wanna apply, definitely apply via Kaskas Buddies direct link. And as always, before I end my vlog, Kaskas Buddies never collects your personal information. So lahat po ito will be direct partnership with the bank. So wala po kayong pag-alalahanan. We will never collect your personal information to keep your information, your data safe talaga. And I hope na-enjoy nyo yung video na to, guys. Comment down below. I will be testing this out whenever I travel. Medyo, at least I have a few more days before I start traveling for 2025. So medyo excited din ako for this. So I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye, guys!